Hello and welcome to Viva Kitchen. I'm Oritra and today we are going to show you a live kitchen. This kitchen is divided into 6 activity zones: consumable, non-consumable, cleaning, preparation, cooking, and finally the service area. Let's start with the non-consumable zone first. This area is planned to store crockery, utensils, and cookware. This pull-out system is very smooth and easy to open. It can take load up to 40 kgs. It's a full extension pull-out with silent and soft closing features. This is the overhead unit. We have used a bifold lift-up system. It opens very smoothly. It stays at any desired position. You can have a complete access inside the cabinet. It closes very silently and effortlessly, thanks to blow motion. Here is the consumable zone. This is a pantry tall unit with 5 pull-outs. All the pull-out systems are very easy to open with silent and effortless closing. Here is the double bowl sink. This is the cleaning zone with an extendable water tap. Just beside the sink unit, here we have an under cabinet RO water purifier system with a separate faucet fixed on the sink. This is the preparation zone. Here we have used wide pull-out systems where large and heavy utensils can be stored. Now moving on to the cooking area. Here we have 3 pull-outs. The top pull-out is for the storage of cutlery. It's a perfect way to organize the entire range of cutlery with full comfort and style. The next pull-out is with single gallery for storage of spices which are regularly used in the cooking process. At the bottom pull-out, utensils and cookware can be stored. There is also a cabinet for gas cylinder which can be closed easily and smoothly. Next to the hob is the service area. Here we have used 2 heavy-duty pull-outs for keeping plates, bowls and trays. All shutters are made of 100% calibrated Ukrainian birch plywood covered with German acrylic, and the edges are finished with German edge binding tapes. All the kitchen cabinets are made of boiling waterproof plywood. I'm sure you have liked our kitchen. For any kind of inquiries, kindly contact to our registered phone numbers. Thank you so much.